Today, I would like to explore our LMS tool with you. Ready Learning offers your organization with a variety of learning opportunities that can be customized to meet everyone's needs. This LMS tool reinvents corporate training by allowing you to streamline your training initiatives to deliver an engaging and motivating training experience. With this easy-to-use tool, you can empower your employees to take control of their learning in a way that keeps them engaged, challenged, and encourages them to be productive. With our blended learning approach, you can deliver self-paced online courses combined with in-class and/or virtual training opportunities. And with our robust reporting insights, you are able to monitor and assess performance across your organization. Let's begin by taking a look at how you can access and manage the learning and development opportunities for your organization. As a manager of people, you can access and see everything for your team. You will be able to create course material, assign courses to your employees, and make sure that your organization has everything needed to succeed from a developmental perspective. Now, because providing those developmental opportunities to your team is so critical, you can check out the status of any courses that have been assigned to your team for completion. Then, by using our reporting framework, you are able to create filters to get better insights into your learning initiatives. For example, you could create a filter to show employees assigned to a specific training course, and then you can keep track of the status to ensure the completion across your entire team. And managers can access their Learning Academy right from this screen. As we access our Learning Academy, you are immediately brought to your dashboard or your control panel, which gives you quick insight into various training activities across your organization. For example, you can check out your course completion rate or your exam success rate, etc. Across the top of the screen, you have an easy-to-use navigation bar that is scalable based upon your security settings. Now, as an administrator, you will have the ability to manage all of the content that is available so you can ensure that your employees have access to the right training materials as needed. This tool allows you to create your own training courses and learning content, giving you more control over the content that you push out to your employees. When creating your own content, you have the ability to upload your own documents. Think about what documents you might want to provide to your employees. You can upload your existing PowerPoint presentations or PDF documents for your employees to review as part of their training curricula. And you have the opportunity to record your own quick overview to set expectations for your learners as they complete their courses. Now, if you have training content that is already available on YouTube, then you can copy the URL and paste it here to bring in that video for your employees to review. Now, once you have gathered all of your relevant training content, then you can create your own course material, training events, and even on-the-job training content by dragging and dropping the content into this new course. This just allows you to arrange your content into a single, digestible course which can be shared with your employees. After this course has been created, you can then assign the training course to your employees. From this screen, you can locate the training that you will need to assign by doing a search. For example, I would like to assign the Communicating with Colleagues course. Now, you can either assign this course to an individual employee, or you can use the advanced filters to assign it to a group of employees based upon department or job, etc. Keep in mind that you can use the automated assignment rule to auto-assign this course to an employee who matches the criteria. This is a great way to make sure that your new hires have been assigned all of their relevant training curriculum. In addition, you will have global access to reporting to make sure everyone is going through their training and development activities as they should. When it comes to reviewing your training statistics, you have a few different options. First, you will notice that this report is currently broken down by employee. I can check out these metrics to see how many courses this employee has completed and how much time was spent going through each activity. And then by clicking on the employee's name, I can get more detail around their training activities. You can also filter this report to view completion metrics for specific courses, on-the-job training programs, exams, etc. Using the Courses filter, let's take a look at the Communicating with Colleagues course. Now, when you open this course, you will see a list of all of the employees who were assigned and what their progress is. You can then drill down into each one of these individuals as needed. As you can see, this insight gives you increased visibility into the training activities across your organization. To look at the full picture, let's dive into the employee experience and check out how easy it is for a learner to access their assigned courses, see suggested courses, and really own their own development. From here, an employee can review and access any of their required courses, like compliance, that have been assigned for them for completion. And employees can take ownership over their own development by enrolling themselves into courses that can help meet their personal career growth needs. Keep in mind that an employee would receive an email notification informing them of any upcoming courses that are pending their completion. Now, an employee can quickly and easily access these courses by clicking on the course itself. From here, they can see all of the steps associated with this training course, and they can pick up right where they left off as they are completing their training activities. Now, within the first step of this training course, the employee is required to watch a video, and you are able to keep track of the duration of time spent on each step to make sure that they participate in the full activity. After completion of this video, perhaps the employee must take a quiz to test their retention of the information provided. Now, you are able to report off of how an employee scored on their tests and how many attempts they had to get a passing result. Essentially, an employee will be able to access the course content that you had created, including any supporting documentation, videos, quizzes, etc., so they have everything they need to be successful in their developmental progression. The home dashboard is where your employees are able to see what courses have been assigned to them. They will be able to check out the progress of each course, and they can then launch into the course to begin reviewing the content. This dashboard also allows employees to participate in polls or check out a calendar of upcoming training events. They also can see any suggested courses as well. From here, the employees can search through the available course catalog and enroll themselves into any courses or events that they might be interested in taking. Remember, you can use this tool to provide on-the-job training materials for new hires, for your annual compliance trainings, and for any other developmental learning opportunities. This solution can help streamline your training initiatives and maximize your overall training experience.